Welcome to the Bendtech 7X Advanced Assembly Cutting Tutorial. This video will go over the basics in cutting wrappers, how to create them, and apply them properly to your tubing. In order to illustrate this, I will be using a file from our original assembly tutorial. This part has cuts that are simple to generate, but we will also be covering how to make cuts into a bend and how those wrappers are applied. Under the Cutting tab, select the Auto Cut button, and the cuts that do not intersect with a bend or multiple tubes will be created and listed to the left. From here, you can see the details of each cutting wrapper before it is printed out. Generating the other cuts will have to be done manually. When cutting wrappers are printed out, they come with cutting information, and they must be cut out and taped onto the tube. The red line and lettering indicate the placement for the wrapper in reference to the end of the tube, or the wrapper on the other end if there is one. The blue line and lettering are there to line up with a corresponding wrapper and will account for any rotation. By creating new straight sections on our part, we can create a cut along a bend to illustrate how the other style of cutting wrapper works. When you get a cutting wrapper which is going to be placed along a bend, it will come out in multiple leaflets because you can't fold a large piece of paper around a bent tube. On these leaflets, the green lettering shows how far down the bend they should be placed, starting at number 1 and increasing from there. The red arrows indicate the direction these leaflets should face, and the blue lines should be lined up as with our other wrappers. After printing, you will also get the distance indicator with a blue line along it for more precision when taping on the leaflets. After these are cut out, this process can be made much easier by simply marking the tangent on the bend you'll be cutting into. First, you will tape on the blue line distance indicator that shows how far down the bend the cut will occur. Then, you will tape on the leaflets in order starting with number 1 and working your way down the bend. The red line will always indicate the cutting profile. Thank you for watching the 7X Assembly Advanced Cutting Tutorial. If you have further questions, please email us at support@bend-tech.com.